Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'll be making a quick, easy, and healthy breakfast. A great way to start your day. I'll be using vegetable oil, a tablespoon of salt and black pepper, 3/4 cup tomato paste, scallions, turkey bacon slices, 3 eggs, and green bell pepper. I've preheated my pot and pan. Add the vegetable oil. Add the green peppers to a saute cook. Add my turkey bacon. Stir the green bell pepper. Then I'll be adding the tomato paste. Stir continuously. Add water if needed. We're going to make this sauce thick and smooth. So if you need to add water, go ahead to avoid burning the pot. Okay, looks like the turkey bacon is still cooking. Once you start seeing bubbles, make sure you add in a little bit of water to avoid burning. I first tried this recipe 6 years ago on my first visit to Tunisia. It was amazing. So I hope you try this recipe as well. I'm going to crack 3 eggs in a triangular shape. Then we'll cover it with the lid and have it cook on top for about 5 minutes. I prefer sunny side up, but if you want to go ahead and cook the eggs through, you might want to go ahead and Give it another 2-3 minutes, adding salt on there before I add the lid. If you want it sunny side up, put it on simmer. If you want your eggs well done, put it on low heat. So this is how it should look. I've plated my recipe with bread, turkey bacon, garnished with scallions. I hope you try this recipe. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for weekly recipes. Thank you for watching.